If P3x plus q dy locally exact in omega, then integral over gamma P dx q dy is equal to 0 for every cycle gamma congruent to 0 in omega. Part 3. We will continue from this step. So suppose that the reduced expression of gamma minus gamma 0 contains the multiple of c gamma ik. Then the cycle gamma minus gamma 0 minus c delta ri does not contain gamma ik, and it follows that ai and ak must have the same index with respect to the cycle. On the other hand, the indices are minus c and 0 respectively. We conclude that c is equal to 0. The same reasoning applies for sigma ij, the common sides of a finite rectangle Ri and a infinite rectangle Rj. Thus, every side of a finite rectangle occurs with the coefficients 0 in sigma minus sigma 0, proving that sigma is equal to sigma I and a sigma ai delta ri is equation 2. So we prove now that all the ri whose corresponding coefficients of n sigma ai is different from the 0 are actually contains in omega. Suppose that point in a the closed rectangle Ri were not in omega, then n sigma a0 is 0, n sigma a is equal to 0 because sigma is congruent to 0 modulo omega. On the other hand, the line segment between a and ai does not intersect sigma, and hence n sigma ai is equal to n sigma a is equal to 0. So we can conclude that locally exactness that the integral of p dx plus q dy over any delta ri which occurs effectively in equation 2 is 0, and consequently integral over sigma p dx q dy is 0.